Hi, I'm Kira, a cute, jolly, and an outgoing kid. And that's the end. Weh, just kidding. This is me by Shahira Diminandang, 17 years old, lives in a house of my mother and my father. Of course. I'm currently studying at Notre Dame University Senior High School as a grade 12 student. Nababaliw, di mapigilan aking pagngiti pagka ika'y sumasagi sa aking isip. As a person who loves traveling, I like being surrounded by trees, ocean, and beautiful skies. Introducing my fam. This is my Umi and Abby. I also have 5 siblings: Kuya, Ate Ko, Ate Ganda, Kakanap, and Kakajab. And me, I'm the youngest. Oh, I forgot to tell. I also have my own cute little childrens. Charot! Did you know that I'm a batang tita? They are my nephews. Datu, Zain, Sham, Zia, Shasha, Bai, Shana, and Shamzid. Well, I also have these amazing peeps. Now, these girlies are my 4 lifers. And that's a wrap of my autobiography video. From a nature lover to a certified batang tita. To my fam, cute friends, and my 4 lifers, thank you for tolerating my OA energy. OA! Again, this is by Shahira Diminandang, signing off. Signing off? Hindi, charot. OA na OA. If you're still watching, Eddie bye.